are going to plan my next week in my PP weeks. It's like, why is it not fitting on there? Wrong side. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Here, I'll just put it right there for now. That'll be fine, right there. Okay, so today I'm using a kit from Pretty Cute Planner. Again, I'm really hoping this will give me some inspiration. I have a sale coming up this coming up weekend, and I haven't even made my tiered freebies or nothing. I think the only thing that I've made is, besides planner covers and books, is my shop swaps. So we're going to use this Pretty Cute Planner PP Weeks kit because the theme of this upcoming sale is gaming. So I have some clip art that Amanda made that I need to work with, and so I'm hoping this will give me some inspiration and let me focus on this coming up sales items. Fingers crossed. That's what I'm hoping. So let's get into this. And I'm going to start down here. Now this is the old paper she used to use. She has currently changed her paper and it is luscious. It is absolutely amazing. I have a lot of her older kits. Okay, so I'm somewhat of a, okay, it's not somewhat, I am a sticker hoarder. A sticker hoarder. Don't mind my daughter, she's running through. So I start here at the bottom. Gonna go ahead and lay down my weekend because I haven't quite decided how. I mean, I'm gonna lay it out like like a lot of times like I usually do, but as far as my boxes, I don't know where I want to go with that yet. So let's go up here to our, oh, and I didn't get any date dots out. Look at that. I'm slacking over here. I'm slacking. I got no date dots out. You know, I may just handwrite the date in. I haven't done that in ages. I may do that. I think I like that idea. I think I'm going to handwrite them in. Now if I could just line them up. So normally when I'm planning in my planner, I'm like right above my book. And I can't be right above my book because then I would be covering up the camera. So we're just going to go with it. That's what we're going to do. We're just going to go with it. So let me get these laid down and then the fun will begin. I like the PP Weeks. I think it is very travel friendly. It's versatile. I mean, you don't have to lay it down the same way. I've done it multiple different ways and I've really enjoyed doing it multiple different ways. It's fun. And I love the B6 one. Oh my gosh, I can do so many different things in the B6. I love the B6. But this one is a little bit more portable. Now I do have a cover for my B6 that my brother made, and I will break it in eventually. Just not right now. Because I'm playing with this one. I'm going to go ahead and take that clip off there. I really hope I'm in frame. I should be. My daughter tells me I'm in frame. That's awesome. Because I was really worried there for a minute that I wasn't in frame. Okay, 2 more date covers. And then again, I'm just going to write in the dates because, well, not 100% positive where my date cover is. My date dots are. So, get my little pen out here. And so let's see, today is the 1st, which means Sunday is the 2nd, so Monday is the 3rd. Oh my, I'm really waiting till last minute, ain't I? That's okay. I'll get it done. I usually always get it done, so I will get it done. All right, there's the dates. Now I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. There's 8. Maybe I can put like the bad people in one and all the good people. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna start here though. It's Mario time. Love me some good Mario. Besides the Sega Genesis, we had a NES, and we played a lot of Mario, and a lot of, I'm going to go with Princess Peach. Toga. I love these 2 characters. Zelda. Oh my gosh, love Zelda. I love a good Zelda moment. We have yellow. We used to play as a family, actually, and it was a lot of fun. And we'd all be, gathered in the living room playing. My mom's favorite game, 'cause she was never into the video games and stuff, but she did play one video game, and she loved it because it was more like a mystery that you had to solve, and you had clues, and you had to go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth, and it was just so much fun. It was called Princess Tomato. If I could find that game, because she still has her NES, and so if I could ever find that game, I would absolutely find a way to get it for her, because that was her favorite. You got clues, and you had to, I'm gonna, yeah, these guys are going on the weekend. You just had a lot of fun doing it. I mean, you had to think. You had to use your brain. And that was the best part about that game, is you had to use your head. I think that's why she liked it, because, okay, to fight the enemy in Princess Tomato, it was rock, paper, scissors. I'm not even playing. You played rock, paper, scissors to defeat the enemy in Princess Tomato. Oh, it was hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. It was fun. We loved it. We had our notebook out. We'd write down, what we had to do, what we had to find. And it was just a really easy game, as far as you didn't have to push a bunch of buttons. But man, it worked your brain. It worked your noggin. And I liked it. I liked it a lot. Mom loved it. Oh gosh, she loved it. She could sit there and we could play that, and she was really smart about it too. But they were like, the characters were like little vegetables. Oh, it's so cute. It was adorable. So I'm going to put Luigi over here, because that blue on the blue just kind of frames it in my mind. I mean, this is how my mind works. This is how my brain works. Sometimes I wonder if I'm wired properly. I do. So that is empty. That can go bye-bye. And I'm going to work up here on this week. I always put my habit trackers in there. And then usually I do a next week, but usually her kits have a decorative functional box that has nothing in it, to where you can actually, it'd be like this background here with the white around it with nothing in it, so that you could actually write things in it. This one does not have that, so we are going to do this just a little bit different, just a little bit. So I'm going to start with my habit tracker. I always have this. I use this to make sure that I take my shot every day and my medications every day. So that's what I use that one for. And so we're going to go ahead and do okay, that one's orange. So we're going to go ahead and do it next week, but it's going to be different. So I'm going to lay this one down right here. I know you guys, I know you're upside down. I know the book's upside down. It's easier, easier. It's easier for me to, and even if I'm not on camera, this is literally how I laid these down. I am not even joking. Oh, I don't want that one. This is how I do it. And it's because it just allows me to see a little better because I don't have the best eyesight. But this is how I do it even if I'm not on camera. So I didn't even get my tweezers out. Wow. I'm really winging this one, ain't I? Love it. Love it. Okay, that is crooked as all get out. There. Okay. So I'm going to go in with these glitter headers. Now I use these, if I don't use them in here, I save them because I do use them. I use these for tracking everything. Everything. From my meals to, you can use them for tracking exercise. You know, you can write in the little space, okay, this is what I did today. This is a rest day. This is, you know, whichever. It's just like in a bullet journal, they work amazing for tracking other things. And I love that I don't use them in this. Now, if I had my B6, it'd be in my B6. Absolutely 100%. It would be in my B6. But since I'm back in a PP Weeks, I don't find I have room for it in my PP Weeks, and I have several planners, so trust me, they get used. They just get used in other areas. And you know, the good thing is a lot of times I'll use a kit from another place that doesn't have one of those or a habit tracker. And what I do is I will dig it through my reusable sticker books, and I will find one that semi matches that kit as far as color goes and things like that. Oh, no, I'm not done yet. So I am so sorry you guys are watching this upside down. Like I said, it's just how my brain is wired. Oh, I don't want that one there. I want this one there. That's that. Come off. There we go. Are you recording a video? That one. Almost done. Really quick. Almost done. There's that one.
Going out to the lake with Tammy.
Who's driving?
What?
Who's driving?
This guy.
And you're good?
I am.
Okay.
Just got off playing Minecraft with Jacob.
Okay, so there it is, all done for this week. I will, all done for this week, and that is, like I said, gonna have to give me inspiration because this date right here, pink planner sale, and I'm not near done, but I'll get done. I will. So I love this. I love the colors. They pop. Beautiful kit. If it is still in her shop, worth getting. Every minute. 100% worth getting. And look, my nails match it. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.